In this video, we're going to make some DIY rose oil from scratch. So the rose is widely considered one of the most beautiful flowers in the world. However, it's not only for its physical beauty and fragrant aroma that makes it very enticing. The oil from the petals has a lot of benefits for both the body and the mind, and it has been used in aromatherapy for thousands of years. The compound found in the rose petals is called citral, which makes it antimicrobial. Once applied topically, it can help to purify the complexion and boost skin health. This potent chemical, citral, makes it anti-inflammatory, and it makes it ideal to harness and help glow your skin. So once you apply it topically, it can actually help reduce the appearance of redness, puffiness, aging skin. With its ability to heal and to protect the surface of the skin, it actually will produce a youthful complexion. This rose oil that we're going to make has deeply nourishing properties that can help propel your skin to the picture of health, replenishing your skin with essential oil that can help leave your complexion appearing bouncier, brighter, and more luminous. And this is all from just this beautiful rose flower that we all know. As we only have the dry petals, what we're going to do is we're going to get extra virgin olive oil, and it has to be extra virgin because that also has properties that will help further heal the skin. And you're going to soak the petals in the extra virgin olive oil. You cover it and you leave it for 5 to 7 days, between 5 to 7 days. As you can see there, I'm shaking it, and you shake it every day within those days so that the properties of the citral will be infusing into the oil. The reason why I use olive oil for extracting the properties from the rose petals is the fact that olive oil is packed with healthy vitamins, fats, and antioxidants, and these components can contribute to a healthier looking skin. Olive oil on its own moisturizes the skin by locking in moisture, and its antioxidants can help to improve the signs of aging. So if you're going to do this, make sure that you get the extra virgin olive oil, and that will further help to heal the skin. So after the 5th day, I'm going to get ready now to pour it into pipettes. These bottles have pipettes in them so that it will have easy application. So there I'm pouring the olive oil that has been infused with the properties of the rose, which is the citral. The citral is the actual chemical that is in the rose petals that helps to heal the skin. And I'm now pouring them into an amber bottle so that I don't lose any of the properties. So normally people do the double boiler method to extract. In this case, I did not use the double boiler method because olive oil will get denatured at the lightest temperature. As soon as you heat up olive oil, it will denature, and then you lose out on all the properties that can help heal the skin. So that's why we had to leave it for longer, 5 to 7 days before we actually poured it. So in this amber bottle, you're further protecting the properties both from the oil as well as the rose, so that when you apply it on your skin, you can actually tell that something is actually going on, as your skin will begin to receive all the nourishment that it requires. So there, I'm getting ready now. Normally it would be best if you do it at night, just before you go to bed, so that you lock in all the properties that we've discussed earlier. So I'm rubbing it in, rub it around the eyes. It will heal your eyes. You know, the area around the eyes is always sensitive, but because this has no chemical in it, you can rub it around the eyes. Yeah, and it just seeps directly into the skin. So as you can see there, it's just seeped in straight away, because the olive oil is a lighter oil. Again, you can apply it to your hair, and oh my goodness, olive oil and rose in the hair is magical. And then, yeah, so there you can see the shine in my hair. And I always say to people, look, the best kind of oil to put in your natural hair is always olive oil. And then I'm putting it on my nails. So this oil was made for hair, skin, and nails, and it will nourish you. It's just amazing. Yeah. And as you know, rose has like calming properties as well. So as you apply it, you feel the calm. People, stay tuned in, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you try it and keep me updated on your results. Well, bye.